Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to show you how to cook artichoke at home so you could enjoy it with your beautiful family. But first things first, my apron's on, my hands are clean, and now I'm ready to show you my ingredients. This is the artichoke. Of course, sometimes we get intimidated of how it looks. And when you go to the restaurant, you really enjoy delicious dip. You enjoy the flowers, the petals. But now I'm going to show you how to cook it at home so you could enjoy it with your beautiful family. So let's get started. First, I want to start with boiling water. I am going to steam the artichokes. I have my steamer here. I have the water here. I am going to cover it and I'm going to start cleaning and getting ready the artichokes. This is most important. Getting your artichokes nice and clean. And of course, cutting those little edges of the petals. Let me show you. We're going to cut the stem. We need to make sure that we cut all those little prickly petals. Take your time, cut them off. And let me tell you, this vegetable has so many properties. High in vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, low in calories, high in fiber, so many benefits that I am sure you're really going to love preparing your artichoke at home. I want to show you step by step how to clean it, how to cut it, how to cook it so that you could enjoy it with a side dish, with some delicious dip. You decide. But let me show you step by step how to clean it, how to cut it, and how to enjoy it with your beautiful family. I am going to do the same thing with the rest of the artichokes. This is time consuming, but the properties that the artichoke has, they are amazing. Once you have every single one, cut, sliced, all the petals, and you have it nice and chopped, then we are going to rinse under very cold water, opening the petals to get the dirt out of the petals. This part is very important. Take your time rinsing each one. I am sure that once you make this, you're going to continue enjoying your artichoke at home. I have already the water nice and hot, boiling. I am going to add my 4 artichokes. Yes, it seems a lot, but once you cook it and you pull it apart, that's when you're going to see that it's not too much of this amazing artichoke and all the properties. Well, I am going to cover it, cook it for about 40 minutes, and then they will be done. Look at this. They change color. Just be very careful. You don't want to burn yourself. Do not take them out with your hands. Get some tongs, put them out, and let them cool down for at least 15 minutes. Look at this. How do you know when the artichoke is ready? When you pull one of the petals and it comes out very easily, just like this. And this part, this white part, it tastes amazing. Well, here I'm just going to take it out of the steamer. I'm going to put it aside. Let it rest. Let it come to room temperature before I start pulling the petals out. Yes, remember, when you take the petals out, you're not going to throw them away. You are going to enjoy them. They have a little bit of pulp right on the bottom. Let me show you this part. It's amazing. This part, do not throw your petals away. I am going to start pulling all the petals off, and I am going to show you how to get the heart of the artichoke. There is some fibers right in the center, and these fibers are very dangerous. Do not eat them. You could choke on them. Let me show you. All the artichokes have these fibers here, these little hairs. Do not try to eat them or chew on them. You need to remove them very carefully without removing the pulp of the heart of the artichoke. Use a spoon. Look at this. This is exactly how you clean your artichoke. Be very careful. With the spoon is very easy to get all those fibers out of the heart of the artichoke. Of course, this part in the back we are going to cut with the knife. Let me show you. This is how you clean it, and this you're gonna toss away. Now this part we are going to slice it off with the knife, and then you have the heart of the artichoke. This is the heart of the artichoke. Every artichoke is different. The heart could be a little bigger, a little smaller, but don't throw away the petals because you could enjoy them. The flavor of the artichoke is like having asparagus, kind of that taste. You're going to love it, and the benefits are amazing. Of course, take the little fibers from the back off, and then I'm going to continue getting all the artichokes nice and clean. Clean them really good. And of course, you could enjoy the petals of the artichoke with lemon, a little bit of salt, or even dipped in butter. I am sure that once you try to make this recipe, cook your artichokes at home, there's no need to buy the heart of the artichokes, in little baggies when you could cook it at home. Look at this. Once this is done, and if you got up to this video, to this part of the video, and you like and you love what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, well, I am done showing you how to cook the artichoke at home. Look at this. This is the heart of the artichoke. Every artichoke heart is different in size, but the flavor is just amazing. And the benefits, a lot. Well, here I have the little leaves. And of course, don't throw them away. Here on the leaf, right on the bottom, you could enjoy the pulp of the artichoke, just like this. Delicious. You could add a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon, or even just a little sprinkle of butter and enjoy your leaves of the artichoke. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. There's no excuses. Now you know how to prepare your artichoke at home. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.